How to list flats on Airbnb. So what you're going to do here first is you have to create an Airbnb account. If you don't have an account on Airbnb account, you'll need to sign up, go to Airbnb's website or download the application. Now sign up using your email address, Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook. After that, go to the hosting section. After signing in, click your profile picture or initials at the top right of the screen and select host your home. If you can see that option, just go directly to airbnb.com/host/homes. Now start creating your listing. Click on get started and follow the prompts to start creating your listing. Airbnb will guide you step by step through the process. Number 4, describe your property. So you have to describe location, enter the address of your flat. Airbnb will show you general location to guests, but the exact address is revealed only after booking. Property type, choose what type of place you're offering: entire flat, private room, or shared room. Guests, specify how many guests your flat can accommodate. Bedrooms and beds, list the number of bedrooms and types, number of beds available. After that, you can now add photos, so upload high quality photos of your flat. Make sure the images are well lit and show the best aspects of your space, including the living areas, bedrooms, kitchen, and any special features like balconies or views. Now you can write a detailed description such as title, create a catchy title for your listing, make it brief but enticing. Also description. After that, set pricing, so price per night, and then availability, calendar, check in and check out. Now set booking preferences, instant book or guest requirement, review and publish, and prepare for the guest. Basically, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.